Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Book Instruments. I am Mikayla if you are new here, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing. I have two P.O. box packages. I think it's people that I've exchanged ARCs with, and this is my side of the exchange. And then I also have this month's Scribbler box. Go Scribbler. You know, the writing subscription box. Funny thing, I've actually filmed another unboxing of the very first Scribbler box, but my footage got all messed up, so this is actually my first on my channel, so that's fun. I'm going to be doing the P.O. box ones first, and the first one is... Ooh, that was such a nice clean rip. Odd and True by Kat Winters. And this is an ARC that's already out, and it's about like monsters and magicians and curses, and it sounded like something right up my alley, so I traded it for, I don't even remember what it was. And the next one is Girls of Paper and Fire. This was an anticipated read of mine, and it comes out in October, and I didn't get it at Book Expo, so I ended up trading it someone for Sea Witch, I think it was, and I'm very excited to read this. It sounds so good, and I'm pumped. And here's what you've all been waiting for, the unboxing of the Scribbler box. See if I can get this open without having anything sharp. That was very seriously. I did it. Dun, 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 dun. I love this. Is their new box. It's so cute. It has a bunch of like writing, and then it says write, and it has their logo, and then on that side it says goscribbler.com, #goscribbler, and this says for writers, from writers, and then on this side it says Victoria and Lindsay, which are the creators of the box. First thing is this little card. I would say writing exercise, the elevator pitch, being able to pitch your book in 1 to 2 sentences, and capturing the intrigue and hook quickly is crucial. Give it a shot below. Okay, I don't want to like see it all at once, but this is like, oh no, I freaking hate these things. And they're gonna get everywhere. Oh no, they're all over the floor. Set that down. So the first thing in the box is this bag that says dream, write, edit, repeat. And it's like Swedish. Ooh, and Velcro, I like that. There's a little pocket on the inside. Oh, it's so cute. It'll hold all my books and notebooks. Okay. Hello there. Next in the box is, oh, I grabbed two things at once. We have Do Not Disturb, Writer at Work, and it's a little Do Not Disturb sign. And then Scribbler Recommends, Heather Howland, title Senior Editor, Place of Biz. Oh, it has writing tips on it from this person. That's cool. Okay, next in the box says Stop Wishing and Start Doing. It's a magnetic bookmark. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah, there. That side. Ooh. Okay, next we have this writer magic inside, and one of these is included every month, and it's like a chat that they have with like an author or editor, and you get a little link to it. Okay, it says July 18th, 1 p.m. Candlewick Press Executive Editor Hilary Van Dusen. Sounds cool. I'll be there on July 18th. Next, we have writing passport research, and like every month they include like a different like type of writing, and there's like advice in this. Yeah, I don't even, I think one of the last ones is like fight scene. It's so cute and nice and I like it. July theme will be setting. I'm excited for that. Okay, and then are you looking for the best for the bear? Candlewood Press, it's got the signature on there. Oh la la. Okay. And then the book that came this month is The Button War by Avi. There's no last name, I guess it's just their name. And it's about the Russian occupied the Polish village not long after World War I. Sounds historical and interesting. And it looks like this. I thought it was going to be like pirates. Maybe it is still. I don't know. I just kind of quickly looked in there. But it's pretty small. I don't think I've ever had a book this small in the box. It's just like 229 pages. Nice and short and cute. And then there's this thing. Says 8 chapters before the original first line of the first draft were added, but it was finally done, and now September. Give Dark My Love will be out nationwide. Interesting. And last but not least, oh wait, no, there's 2 more things in here. Discover more of your favorite authors, buying, selling your new used books, and oh, it's half price books. 15% off. I love half price books so much, and I love books, so whenever I'm in Seattle I go there because there isn't one near me. I live like 6 hours from Seattle, so that gives you a little hint of how far away I am from a half price book. Oh, it's a pen! It is a red Bic Grip Roller Micro Pen, and I will be using this. I love pens. I have a pen collection and they are my life. And that is everything for the Go Scribbler box and my 2 P.O box unboxing things. I really enjoyed this month and I can't wait to use these advice for writing, which I mean I'm on the very, very early stages of writing, so it's very helpful. So I'm excited to put this towards that, and I'm excited to read all my new books on top of my TBR. They're just freaking huge right now. I'm currently at 90 books at my goal. Oh, like my Goodreads goal is 150, but I want to read 200, so yeah, that's a struggle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to do more unboxings, because I get boxes all the time and I would love to share them with you guys. And I will see you next time. Bye.
It's just a fantasy, taking over like a disease. Pull me out of this, I can't breathe, it's burning through my chest.